Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to tell about sentences in English. In sentences we have three types. First one, action. Action means like you run, jump, eat, clap, dance, sit, stand, walk. These are called action. What we'll do that called action verbs. And second one we called possession means your own thing, like you have a pencil or eraser, or it might be your book, car, vehicle, etc. So whatever your own thing will be there, that we will call possession. See here, I have given example. I have a toy, he has a red car, she has a pink dress, they have balloons, like that. Next, third one, state of being. State of being means it describe about feeling, guys. Like today you are excited, and maybe after 1 hour you will be sad. These are called feelings. I have given example. I am happy. He is sad. She is sleepy. They are excited. We are tired. Learn this example so that you'll understand, guys. Action means doing words, like whatever you are doing, that called action. I run fast, I jump fast, I walk fast, like that. I eat fast. These are called action. And possession means she has a doll, like have, has, call, shows what we own. Next one, state of being. Guys, state of being means is describe about feelings. Being, he is happy. Example, am, is, are for how we feel or are. And we have singular means one thing, plural means more than two. One cat, two cats, like that. Here I have given small story. Maya is 5 years old. She has a red ball. Maya is happy today. She runs to the garden. In the garden, there is one cat and two dogs. The dogs jump and play. Maya claps and laughs. I'm continuing this story, guys. Now, Maya turn. She gives her ball to the dogs. They have fun, she says. Maya is tired now. She goes home smiling. Guys, I hope you understand this. In this story, we added action and state of being and position. Bye, guys, and comment below.